Everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Travel Discoveries. Today's topic, we will discuss about how to apply an expedite appointment. But before we get started, we have a quick update for the NVC time processing. Okay? So, current public inquiry form response time as of January 18, 2022. We are responding to inquiries received on November 22, 2021. We will update this information every week. We ask that you make a subsequent inquiry only if you do not receive a response to your email within our published time frame above. Duplicate inquiries slow our ability to respond to you in a timely manner. Current case review time as of January 18, 2022. We are reviewing documents submitted to us on October 14, 2021. Current case creation time frame as of January 18, 2022. We are working on cases that were received from USCIS on January 5, 2022. U.S. Embassy Public Inquiry Response Times as of January 18, 2022. They are now processing inquiries dated January 3, 2022. So that's it for the update for U.S. Embassy Manila updates and also for the NVC timeframes. Updates for the U.S. Embassy Public Inquiry Response Times as of January 18, 2022. The U.S. Embassy processing now the inquiries dated January 3, 2022. We continue to receive a high volume of visa inquiries, and our responses may be delayed. All correspondence is processed in the order received. We will not respond to duplicate inquiries. Please refrain from sending multiple requests or follow-ups which slow our responses. That's for the updates for U.S. Embassy Public Inquiry Response Times. Before we start our discussion for our main topic, shout out to all my subscribers. Thank you so much for staying with me. And shout out to Miss Andrea May Rivera and also to Miss Lole TV. So for those who wanted to shout out, just comment down below in my description box and just type hashtag comment, okay? And also for my new subscribers, thank you so much. Stay tuned until at the end of this video. So let us further ado, let's start. How to apply for an expedite appointment. Overview. If you have an unforeseen travel need as per one of the criteria listed below, you may qualify for an expedite appointment depending on availability at the U.S. Embassy or consulate. It is important to ensure you meet all the criteria because applicants are only allowed to create one expedite request. Qualifications. Before you apply for an expedited appointment, you must ensure that you have documentary evidence to prove the urgency. If it appears during your visa interview that you misrepresented reasons for expedited travel, such facts will be noted on your case file and may adversely influence the outcome of your visa applications. All applicants requesting an expedited appointment are required to first pay visa fees for a regular visa appointment. Applicants who are granted an expedited appointment but subsequently refuse a visa or who miss their interview at the U.S. Embassy consulate will not be allowed to utilize this option to obtain another expedite appointment. Following types of travel do not qualify for an expedited appointment are attending weddings, attending graduation ceremonies, assisting pregnant relatives, attending cultural exchange events, attending business training, participating in an annual business or academic or professional conferences, and enjoying last-minute tourism. For such travel, please schedule a regular visa appointment in advance. This is the following criteria to apply for an expedite appointment. Purpose of travel is to obtain expedite medical care, to accompany a relative for expedite medical care, to visit a relative suffering from an immediate or life-threatening medical condition. Essential documentation required. First, a letter from your doctor in the Philippines describing the medical condition and why you are seeking a medical care in the United States. Second, a letter from the physician or hospital in the United States indicating that they are prepared to treat the case and providing the approximate cost of the treatment. Number 3, evidence of how you will pay for the cost of the treatment. Second, funeral or death. The purpose of travel is to attend the funeral of or make arrangements for repatriating the body of an immediate family member, such as mother, father, brother, sisters, child, grandparent, or grandchild, in the United States. Essential documentations required. First, a letter from the funeral director stating the contact information, the details of the deceased, and the date of the funeral. Second, you must also present evidence that the deceased is an immediate relative. Third, urgent business or travels. An expedite appointment would be appropriate when the purpose of travel is to attend an urgent business matter where the travel requirement could not be predicted in advance. Attending trainings, sales meeting, or conferences is not considered urgent business travel. Essential documentation required. First, a letter of invitation from the corresponding company in the United States attesting to the urgency of the planned visit, describing the nature of the business, and explaining why the applicant's presence is essential. Fourth, students or exchange visitors. The purpose of travel is to return to the United States to attend classes or resume working in a timely manner. We expect students and temporary workers to make every effort to schedule regular appointments during their planned stays in the Philippines. However, in limited cases, the embassy will consider expedited appointments for these types of travel. A list of documentary requirements for students and temporary workers can be found on the U.S. Embassy Manila website. Essential documentation required. First, original Form I-20 or DS-219 indicating start date of program within 60 days. Second, evidence that you have paid the CVS fee when applicable. Number 5, ESTA denied. You may request an expedite visa appointment if you are a citizen of a visa waiver program partner. Have received notice that you are no longer eligible to travel to the United States under that program. Such travelers include those who are dual nationals of Iraq, Iran, Sudan, or Syria, or those who have traveled to Iraq, Iran, Sudan, Syria, Libya, Yemen, or Somalia after March 1, 2011. Your travel must be imminent to qualify for an expedite appointment. Please include in your request the date and purpose of your travel. A copy of the U.S. Customs and Border Protection message you receive regarding your ISTA status. How to apply? Step 1. Pay the visa application fee. Second, complete the non-immigrant visa electronic application or DS-160 form. Third, schedule an appointment online for the earliest available date. Please note that you must schedule an appointment before you can request an expedited date. At the time you schedule your appointment, you will see an on-screen message showing the earliest available appointment date, which includes expedited appointments. Accordingly, you may find that it is not necessary to request an expedited appointment because there are regular dates available. If you wish to proceed with requesting an expedited appointment, then complete the request form or contact the call center to request assistance. Please be sure to note the criteria you believe qualifies you for an expedited appointment. Once you have submitted your request, please wait for a response from the U.S. Embassy or Consulate, which will come via email. Step 4. If the U.S. Embassy or Consulate approves your request, then you will receive an email alerting you to schedule your expedited appointment online. Please understand that the call center cannot schedule your expedited appointment for you. Agents are able to assess situation arise. Should the U.S. Embassy or Consulate deny your request for an expedited appointment, you will be notified for the denial by email and you should keep your existing appointment. Note, the email confirming or denying your request will come from noreply@ustraveldocs.com. Some email applications have rules which filter unknown senders into a spam or junk mail folder. If you have not received your email notification, please look for the message in your junk and spam email folders. 5. Visit the U.S. Embassy and Consulate on the date and time for your visa interview. You will need to bring a printed copy of your appointment letter, your DS-160 confirmation page, 1 recent photographs, your current passport, and all old passports. Applicants without all of those items will not be accepted. Apply for a U.S. visa. To schedule a visa interview or enter visa delivery address, you will need to register and create a profile online. If you already have a profile, please do not create a new one. You can always modify your existing profile by logging in using your user ID and password. If you have lost your password, please simply retrieve it by clicking the Forgot Your Password. If you are a first-time user, click New User to create your profile. So guys, that's it for today. I hope you learn again in this video. If you have any questions, just comment down below in my description box and I will answer as soon as. And for those who have any suggestions to make a content or video, just comment down below in my description box and just type #comment content. Okay? And for those who never yet subscribed, please consider to subscribe, select all and click that bell icon so that if I have a new upload videos, you will be notified as soon as. And also please share to your friends, like and give a thumbs up. So that's it for today. God bless you all and stay positive. See you in my next vlog. Bye!